Hey Redcat Racing fans, welcome back to the Redcat University. Today we are going to install LED lights in the dashboard of the Axe Edition Scout 2 crawler. Now, what you're going to need for the installation are some 3mm lights. You may need a control board for that. We're going to use the killer body set available at Redcat Racing. We're also going to need some tools. We're going to need a 2mm hex driver, a 1.5mm hex driver, a detail pen, some tape, and a reamer. Alright, let's dig into this exciting how-to and scale up this rig. First up, remove the body from the rig and then unscrew the 4 screws that secure the windshield to the cage. Remove the windshield and then turn the body over and remove the 3 screws that secure the dashboard to the body. Now the dashboard is loose inside the body. Slide it up just a bit and take a piece of masking tape and place it right in front of the dashboard. Slide the dashboard up just a bit more until you see the 4 holes where we can install the LED lights. Using a marker, make a dot on the tape where each of the lights are. Now with a ruler or measuring device like this pair of calipers, measure how far down the hole is from the top of the dashboard. Now slide the dashboard out completely. Now using the measurement you took earlier, make dots on the dashboard below each of the marks on the tape. This indicates where you'll need to drill holes for the LED lights. Using a reamer, make 4mm holes where you drew the marks. Once you've started the holes, it may be easier to open them up from the underside. Once you've drilled all the holes, reinstall the dashboard and reinstall the screws to hold it in place. Now you can unpack your killer body LED light set and find the 2 strands that have 2 3mm LED lights on them. Press the LED lights into the holes in the dashboard. Repeat the process for all 4 lights. After pressing your LED lights into each of the holes, bundle up your wires, and you can go ahead and add some silicone glue to secure them in place or some tape. Next, we install the light module onto the chassis using some 2-sided tape. Use the supplied Y harnesses to power the module. Set the switch on the module to position A and plug in your LED lights. We're going to use port 1 and 2. Reinstall the windshield, place the body on the chassis, and turn everything on. You'll instantly notice that the lights on the dashboard are flashing. The killer LED light module is a flashing unit, but once you start to drive, the lights will stay solid. And there you have it, your Gen 8 now has a lit up dashboard and a cool custom scale look. Thanks again for checking into the Redcat University. Part numbers to the products used in today's video will be listed in the description below. While you're there, please hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell, and we'll see you back soon for another Redcat Racing how-to video.